Type your username and password. Then click Login. This is your student profile. To change your profile picture, just click Choose File. Then select your favorite photo. Then click Save. This is the lists of your subjects. Choose one, then click Proceed. Here are the options that you can do in your subject. You can see the posted announcements by the professor. You can also see the uploaded assignments by your professor. The uploaded lecture notes by your professor. And you can also share files with your classmates by uploading the file you want to share. You can chat with your classmates. If one of them is online, just type your message in the box, then click OK to send your message. If you wish to log out, just click the Logout button on the top right corner, then you're out. For online class, click the Online Class tab. Then at the bottom of the page, click Login. Type your username and password. Click Login. Earlier we created a course. In this video, we will show you how to add and modify the course. Click My Courses from the navigation block and click the available course. Now, on the Settings block, under the Course Administration, click Edit Settings. You will see Category, Course Full Name, Course Short Name, Course ID number and so on. After we finished filling these form, click Save Changes. Click for the created course to start the online class.
Hi, this video is going to give you an overview of using Big Blue Button from the role of a moderator with the presenter capabilities. So I've logged into Big Blue Button and you can see my name in the upper left hand corner. Under the role I have an icon, which means I'm a moderator, and I have the presenter status. In a moment, another student will log in, and they will not be moderator nor presenter. Now, I could click their name and make them presenter by clicking Switch Presenter, but for the moment, I'll keep the presenter. So we'll chat. I'm just going to type a message into the public chat. I'm just going to say welcome, and in a moment, Roger's going to respond. And I can also send a private chat to Roger as well. So just click on his name and then the new tab that was created, and I can type a quick message in here letting him know that the first assignment is due on Friday. So only Roger will see this message, and Roger can respond back as well. If there's a message in the public chat, you'll see the all tag highlight. You can just click on it and you can read what it is. At the moment, I haven't joined the audio yet, so I'm going to click on the headset icon to join the audio. This is the audio test dialog. I can play a quick sound, talk, check that my microphone is active, and if I need to, just click change microphone and I can change to an active microphone. But looks good. And now I've joined the voice conference. You can see my name and the listeners, and I have the ability to mute and unmute myself. In fact, all users now have this ability. And in a moment there, Roger joins as well. But because I'm a moderator, I can also mute and unmute Roger just by clicking on the icon next to his name. I also have the ability to lock his status, and locking it would actually remove his mute or unmute icon. But we'll leave him here so he can mute and unmute himself. The lock icon, typically you just lock yourself and you click mute all, which will mute everybody else, including newcoming students. That's a typical use case scenario. Let's upload a presentation. So I'm just going to click the upload presentation button, choose one, and then click the upload. So my Big Blue Button client will send the PDF file to the server. The Big Blue Button server will convert it. And after a few moments, it will generate some thumbnails, and the presentation will become visible to everybody. And here it is. So the way Big Blue Button works is I've got a red dot. Anywhere I move, users see the same thing. I can advance the slides just by clicking the next and previous arrows. And I can click on the number to indicate I want to advance a particular slide itself. I can zoom in and zoom out to draw highlights to a particular area. And there's also the ability to do whiteboard as well. The whiteboard has very simple controls. Pen, triangle, circle. I can undo a mark, or I can clear all the whiteboard marks. So let me change the color to white. This is kind of a black background. I'm going to thicken the line. And now I just start drawing right on the whiteboard. These annotations are seen by everybody, and it's always kept in sync. So I can undo a few of them, or I can just click the X to clear them all. Very simple control, but just enough to annotate. Next, I'm going to share my webcam so that students can see me. Just click the webcam icon. I can choose a camera source. You can see the active camera source is working. And I can choose a different style, size, but I'll leave it as the default. I click play, and I'm now publishing the webcam to everybody. Lastly, I'm going to just share my desktop. So I click the share desktop icon in the upper left-hand corner. I'm going to choose full screen. And it asks me if I want to run a Java applet. I say yes, and the applet will now start capturing my screen, sending it to the server, and I see a thumbnail view here. It's kind of a preview. I can't resize this, but that's just my indication that I am sharing my desktop with others. So let's start up Word, and we're just going to type in a few words. And right now this is being shared with the remote students. You'll see it when I come back, and you can see it in the preview. So I just typed a few things into Word. I'm going to minimize Word and go back. And there you can see the screen updating as the Java applet sends it out to the remote students. And when I'm done, I click close, and that's it. The desktop sharing stops. If I want to upload another slide, I just click the upload button. I can choose another one, switch back and forth between them, or delete a presentation that I've uploaded. That's it. The last bit is I could certainly change my language. The Blue Button supports 35 languages, but in this case I'm done, and I'll click log out. That's an overview of Big Blue Button, the open source web conferencing system for distance education.
For online class, click the Online Class tab. Then at the bottom of the page, click Login. Type your username and password. Click Login. click for the created course to start the online class.
Hi, this is Fred. We're going to give you an overview of Big Blue Button from the viewer's perspective. We'll start first by loading into the client, and in the upper left-hand corner you'll see that there's a users module. This module shows you the users that are logged in over the web. You'll see yourself appear here. Your name will be in blue. And as other users join, you'll see them appear in the list. And there Tyler has just joined. And Tyler has joined with the role of a moderator. You can see in the role, and he's the current presenter as well. Big Blue Button allows you to chat with the other participants and students. So I can chat by just typing into the text field and hit enter. Everyone sees it, and there Tyler has responded. You can do a private chat by clicking the plus and then the person's name and then just choosing their tab. Here the message that I type will only be seen by Tyler. So we'll ask how long is the class, and in a moment Tyler will respond. If you're in a private chat and there's information in the public chat, you'll see it glow orange. Just click on all and you'll come back to the public chat, which everybody can see. To join the audio conference in Big Blue Button, just click the headset icon and you'll be asked by Flash to have permissions to access your microphone. You'll see an audio settings dialog that lets you play a test sound, just to make sure your speakers are working. And then you can see if the volume indicator is moving when you talk. If it's not, just click the change microphone and choose a different microphone. Everything looks good, so we'll just join the audio. And you now appear in the listeners window. This shows you who can also hear, and you can mute and unmute yourself by just clicking the mute or talk button. This lets you control your audio as well. There, Tyler's just joined, and Tyler is the moderator, so he can mute and unmute others as well. Next, what we'll do is we'll wait until Tyler there has just uploaded a presentation. Now Tyler is a presenter, so we will see wherever the presenter is pointing the mouse, and you can see here, the red dot's moving around. You can see as it's changing slides. And the presenter also has the ability to mark up the presentation using a whiteboard marker. So here Tyler is just indicating 2 points in the presentation, and you can see the whiteboard controls. Again, we see exactly what the presenter sees. Tyler can also share his or her webcam, and we can share a webcam as well by clicking the Share Webcam icon in the upper left-hand corner. And I can choose a different webcam source, but this looks good. So I'm just going to click the play button, and then Big Blue Button says you're publishing. In the video dock, all the webcams will be collected, and you can click one to make it larger. Finally, in the upper right-hand corner, you can choose a different language for Big Blue Button. It's localized into over 35 languages. And we'll leave it in English here for the moment. And when you're done, you can just click log out. That's it. That's an overview of how to use Big Blue Button from a viewer. Big Blue Button is an open source web conferencing system for distance education.
In Doodle 2, you can search videos about your subjects. In the upper left side corner are the categories about the videos you want to search. For example, videos about music. Videos about films. videos about cars. There is no need to log in, just click DoodleTube tab. Then type in the search bar, the title of the video that you want to search, and click search. Click the Professor Tube tab. For professors, you must log in as admin. Type your username and password and click login. In this video we will show on how to upload a video from the youtube.com. First things first, go to the website www.youtube.com. Search for the topic you want to be uploaded. Click the video. Then click the share button. Under the share button, click the embed. Copy the following or the link that you see on this video. Then after copying, go back to your profile. Select the subject, where the video is related. Type for the video name, and in under the location box, paste in the box the copied URL or link, and click add. Now you will see the shared video by scrolling down. For students, you must log in as student. Click the student button. Type your username and password and click login. To view the professor's uploaded video, select the subject where the video is shared and click view. And now you will see the video that has been shared recently by your professor.
It's more fun in the Philippines.